Hey guys, so I wanted to film just kind of like a little baby alive vlog because I wanted to get some more baby alive videos in today, and I might do a feeding after this, but I just didn't really know what to film, so I thought I'd do a little baby alive vlog. A lot of you guys said that you liked them, and it's not going to be like a permanent thing. Like, I'm not going to always make baby alive vlogs like I do my regular vlogs, because that'd be too many vlogs. I got my vlog and the Jetsons vlog. I can't do another one. Too much vlogs. But yeah, I do them every once in a while. So, right now they're all just kind of hanging out playing. I still need to make a changing video. That's what I can do. Boom. Or maybe I'll do the vlog, a changing, and a feeding. So, that'll be 3. So, that should be good. Because I only had one baby alive video today, and I don't really count that because it was just their voices. So, it really wasn't much. So, they're just kind of like hanging out. So, Kaylee's class has been, in kindergarten, has been working a little bit on ELA, like some new words, and so she got a little bit of homework, and they had, how long did you have to do it? It's due on Monday, but when did you get to start it? Thursday, because it's kind of like a little project, right?
Not really.
Not really, okay. Well, I have it right here, and then it says name, so she's going to write her name there. It says, write a sentence using the word cat. That's one of their vocabulary words. It says, and draw a picture related to the sentence. So she has this much room to write a sentence, and then she has to draw a picture down here. So we have the crayons she can use to color it, and she needs a pencil to write it. So I need to get her a pencil from over here. We have many pencils, so I think she'll just use this one. Actually, I don't know if this one has a good eraser. There's one that has a really good eraser. I have to find it. No, I guess it is this one. So yeah, we're just going to be having her do her homework, which isn't the most exciting thing, but she's got to do it. She's about to start doing her homework. She's sitting on top of it. You shouldn't be sitting on it, honey.
I know, just so I can write my name because it's kind of higher up.
Oh, because it's higher up. Okay. All right, you do that. What did you want me to do, Kaylee?
I want you to film my name.
Film your name?
Yeah.
She wrote her name. She wanted me to show you it, I guess. It's a really long tail on your A.
The pencil slipped.
Oh, it slipped.
Yeah.
All right, so she wrote Kaylee. And I don't actually have a last name for the baby lives. I don't want it to be the same as my actual one. I used to do Leslie for their last name when I used to play it, like, with my siblings, so I think that might be Leslie. I think it was Leslie. One of them used to be Jetson. I used to have a bunch of different names. I think one of them used to be Jetson as well. That's why I have, like, that other, the vlogging family now is, like, the Jetsons. Because, I don't know, I used to be that family. But, yeah, I think they could be Leslie, so. But they don't really, I don't really want them to have a last name, so they're just not going to have one. So, it's just Kaylee. So now she's going to write a sentence, and then we'll show you it when she's done. You finish your sentence, Kaylee?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, do you want to read it to us? Can you read it?
Yeah.
Let me turn my flash to make it a little better, because there's a bunch of shadows. What does it say?
Now, can I get up there?
You want to get up there? Do you need, like, a pointer?
Yeah.
Okay, here, use the back of your pencil like this, okay?
The orange.
Orange is another one of their vocab words. They're learning colors.
Yeah. Orange cat was big as me.
What's the sentence missing?
I don't know.
Well, first of all, your sentence doesn't make sense. The orange cat was big as me. You could say as big as me. You missed a whole word right there. Add it in right there, okay?
Okay.
So do it right now.
Oh. I can't hold the paper very well.
It's okay.
As big as me.
Good. And then what's it missing at the end?
Was?
No. The orange cat was as big as me was?
And change it to I was?
No, you can keep it like that. What goes right here? It starts with a P. It's a punctuation, And the punctuation you want there is...
What's punctuation?
Exclamation mark, question mark, period, comma, semicolon, colon. You don't know all those. She only knows question mark, exclamation mark, and period. What goes here? Oh, and a comma. What goes there?
Comma?
No. It's a dot.
Oh, period.
Yeah. Can you draw one in? What's that?
The period.
That's really big. Here. Let me show you. All you have to do is make one little dot like that.
But I want it bigger so I can see it.
All right. You want it bigger so you can see it?
Yeah, let me draw it.
All right. Don't make it any bigger. That's a little big.
It's my sentence.
Okay. There we go. Now we've perfected her homework. Now she can just draw a picture, right?
Yep.
Are you going to use pencil first? Or just go right to crayons?
Both.
Okay. That means you need to use pencil first.
No.
All right, whatever. Just draw your picture.
What's wrong? My crayon broke.
Oh, the apricot crayon broke. It's okay. You can still use the big end. Here, just take off the little end. Makes it easier. Okay?
And done.
You finished?
Yeah.
Okay. Explain to us your drawing.
So this one's me.
This one's you. Let's see.
It says me over it.
Oh, it does. What are you wearing?
This pink shirt that I'm wearing right now.
This one?
Yeah. And purple skirt Emma's wearing.
The purple skirt Emma's wearing? This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just wanted to draw whatever I felt like putting on me.
Oh, so it's not meant to be an outfit we actually have.
No. But if it was, then that's a B. And those shoes would be the ones Emma has on.
So you didn't... What she's saying is she didn't try to make it an outfit we actually have. She was just drawing whatever she felt like, and now she's telling us what it would look like if we used things we already had, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then, what's next to you?
A really big orange cat.
A really big orange cat. That's really big, because how big is it?
As big as me.
As big as you. And you are how old?
This many.
How many is that?
5.
5. Kaylee's 5. And are you as big as your bunk bed? Let's see.
No.
No. How big are you?
Bigger than Emma.
Bigger than Emma. Whoa. Hold my hand, because you're going to fall.
I'm dizzy.
Why are you dizzy? Tell everyone why you're dizzy, because they didn't see it. While she was telling us what her picture was, what were you doing?
Standing over there.
Yeah, she was standing over here, and what were you doing?
Spinning.
She was spinning.
Can I show them?
Fine.
Put your arms out and you go really, really fast. Until you, woo! Get too dizzy, you fall down. And you kick your legs in the air like you just don't care.
You look like your underpants are falling down. Come here.
What?
Your underpants look like they're sagging. They are. Pull up your dress. Let's fix those saggy underpants. They're very saggy, aren't they?
They're big.
They are big on you, I know. But you like them, right?
Yeah.
There you go. And whoop, up.
Whoa, help me.
Okay. Give me the camera, Kaylee. So we're putting her homework up here so no one can touch it, none of the babies, and they won't be able to ruin it. That way it'll be all ready for her tomorrow. I'm going to put her pencil away. There. And get off the floor. Were you spinning again?
Yeah.
Yeah, get up. Don't teach your siblings that.
Why?
Because then they're all going to be really dizzy. Now we're going to have a bunch of babies falling everywhere and getting hurt. And we don't want that, do we? Okay, then.
Are we ending the video?
Yes, we're ending the video. This turned into more of a Kaylee does her homework vlog video. So it wasn't really a vlog. Well, it was like a Kaylee vlog.
Can I have the camera?
You want the camera? Here, let me take it out of the tripod. Here.
Wow. Is it filming?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's your eye, your nose, and part of your mouth. Angle it so you can actually see yourself.
That?
A little bit more. Here, right here.
Hi, guys.
Here, even a little bit more. Little more.
No, I don't want to. It hurts my arm. Let's go like this.
That's a really bad angle.
You know how to do it, remember? Can I do it, Mommy? Can I do it? Can I do it? Can I do it?
Emma, Emma, whoa.
Ah.
That's a good save. Whoa, she's over the edge. Come here. Emma, that's why you don't lean over, remember?
Yeah.
I told you that before, remember?
Yeah.
This is Kaylee's video.
Can I have a video?
Sure, we can do one later, maybe tomorrow, okay? Because we're going to do a feeding later, and I don't think it's going to be with you. I think it might be with Kaylee.
Because it's all about Kaylee and I want my own video.
Okay, well, maybe I'll just do a feeding with one of the other babies. Whew. All right, Kaylee, can you say bye?
To the camera.
Right here.
Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. And in the comments, let me know if you think I'm a good drawer. It's called an artist. Good artist. Bye.